This question comes from our topic GOC. In this question, we have to arrange the compound in decreasing order of their acidic strength. Acidic strength associates with acids. Acids are those compounds which loses their H positive easily. As you can see in all the option A to D, H is attached to electronegative atom. Here in A option it is attached to O positive, in B option nitrogen, in C option O, and in D option N+. Charge carrying species, positive charge carrying species are more electronegative than the neutral species. So that's why O+ would be more electronegative than neutral O, and N+ would be more electronegative than neutral N. So the order of electronegativity of this element comes out to be like this: O+, N+, O, N. So A will lose its electron easily. So the acidic strength of A is the greatest. After that, D option will come, and after that C, after that B. So our answer would be ADCB option C.